Where are we at? Off-Road Expo.
10,000 miles. There's nothing new we can say. Collapsing to crawl. Here we are, wild and free, a blazing past unknown. Quiet towns, too dark to see. Feelings that my home is gonna down his own. We can explain on demand. The snake light heart in his hand. We thought of all he could say. A collapse in the fall. Here we are, wild and free, a blazing past unknown. In quiet towns, too dark to see. Feelings that my home. He's gonna down his own. So here we are, wild and free, blazing past unknown. In quiet towns, too dark to see. Feelings got my home. He's gonna down his own. And I've been to parties like this before. The addicts are screaming, they've got to get more. Nobody wants to admit what they see, so they point their fingers at me. And I spent all my life making sacrifice after sacrifice in vain. There's a strange decoy stealing all my joy and branding me in blame. I've been to parties like this before. The prom queen is seizing onto the floor, and nobody knows what to do or say. The ambulance is on the way, and I spent all my life making sacrifice after sacrifice in vain. There's a strange